Fluidics concepts for coating systems using the CVD process are very complex. From engineering through the selection and testing of the numerous components to installation and proper operation with a large space requirement. However, especially in cost-intensive clean rooms, the overall size of the coating system should be as small as possible. We have the solution. Bürkert supports you in developing optimized and individually tailored cooling solutions for your vapor deposition system. The combination of space-optimized, welded, or machined block solutions results in compact fluidic solutions that are precisely tailored to your requirements. The proven and reliable Bürkert technology is characterized by a very long service life. This increases your process reliability and makes maintenance almost superfluous. We integrate numerous components into one system. When doing so, we adapt our system solutions to your space requirements, the desired range of functions, your maintenance concept, and the specified digital communication infrastructure. The Bürkert assemblies are produced in our own plants, without being dependent on long supply chains. Due to large stocks, we can deliver directly in an emergency. The plug-and-play solutions enable quick installation and minimize downtimes, and thus also the manufacturing costs of the entire coating system. A space-saving design is crucial, especially when operating in expensive clean rooms. The compact design of Bürkert systems leaves room for individual designs and, above all, space for more machines. Have we sparked your curiosity? We are happy to support you in cooling your CVD coating system.